Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best products to enhance your crafting experience. Today, we're diving into something perfect for the autumn season: the best Thanksgiving faux leather sheets from AnyDesign. If you love DIY crafts, accessories, or simply want to add a festive touch to your home decor, you're in for a treat. These stunning faux leather sheets come in a pack of 12, showcasing beautiful buffalo plaid designs in warm autumn colors like green, orange, and brown. Each sheet measures 8 by 12 inches, making them the ideal size for a variety of crafting projects. What sets these faux leather sheets apart is their versatility. Whether you're looking to create earrings, hair bows, or stylish bags, these sheets offer the perfect foundation for your creativity. The softness of the material allows for easy cutting and shaping, so you can let your imagination run wild without any hassle. Check out these earrings and hair accessories I made using the AnyDesign faux leather. The vibrant colors and unique plaid patterns not only enhance the aesthetic but also capture the spirit of fall beautifully. Imagine wearing these to your Thanksgiving gatherings or gifting them to friends and family. Each sheet features a different pattern, allowing you to mix and match for a truly personalized touch. The high-quality synthetic leather is durable, ensuring that your creations remain intact and vibrant over time. Plus, they're easy to clean with a simple hand wash, so you don't have to worry about wear and tear. Now, if you're worried about a slight odor when you first open the pack, don't fret. It's completely normal for faux leather. Simply place them in a well-ventilated area, and the smell will dissipate quickly. I personally found that it didn't affect my crafting experience at all. These faux leather sheets are not just great for accessories. They can be used for various home decor projects, including table settings, holiday decorations, and even personalized gifts. Just think of the possibilities for your Thanksgiving table. If you're ready to elevate your fall crafting game, the AnyDesign Thanksgiving faux leather sheets are definitely worth adding to your collection. At just $14.99 for 12 sheets, it's an affordable way to unleash your creativity this season. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of the best Thanksgiving faux leather sheets. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product critiques and crafting inspiration. Happy crafting, and enjoy your fall festivities.